Hello, dear students. This is Sudhi. In the past couple of weeks, I have received a few emails regarding the assignments, and I just wanted to give some clarification on the assignment that is due next week. If you go to the course menu on the left side, you have different links and you will find the information about the assignments in the syllabus, and the deadlines and due dates can be found on the syllabus as well as on the schedule, and the details about the assignments you will see under the assignments link. If you click on the link, and it will take you to the page where a document is posted about the assignments. So you will see the descriptions for each assignment. Those are group paper, macro theory paper, and macro assessment paper. I'll go over the group paper a little bit so that you can get some idea and a little more clarification on those assignments. You can print off this 2-page document, and you can, while listening to this video, you can also go through the points that are listed under the assignment, under this assignment. Basically, there are 3 things that you should note, which are key factors that make a good assignment. One is that you are writing this paper about a particular group. When you read the chapter 3 and chapter 4, you will gain good idea about what are the different types of groups available to a social worker to use them in our practice area. To say that there are 2 major types of groups available to social workers. One is treatment group, the other one is task group. Here I am asking you to write the assignment about task groups. You need to choose one of the task group, and then you will apply the theories and explain how that particular group can be used to address a macro problem. So for that you need to have a macro problem, and in order to advocate or work on a particular macro problem, you are thinking about using a particular group as a mechanism, as a vehicle to bring about a change, to work with a larger system. So group always helps as a medium or as a vehicle to work with a larger system, either it may be a community or organization, or maybe a large group, and you need to have a small group to start your work. Okay, so now you are writing an assignment having read the 2 chapters, chapter 3 and 4, and you want to address a particular macro problem, and you are choosing a particular task group to write this assignment. So there are the outline goes like this. The outline is, you will write a short introduction to the paper, and you will talk about the significance of the group in social work practice, and how and why we use groups in social work practice. You will be explaining that, and in the chapter 3 you will find this information, and also you will find this information in my PowerPoint. You will choose, as I said, you will choose one of the task groups, and the task groups are listed there. For example, treatment conference, delegate councils, social action groups, etc. Those are one of the groups you will choose. pick one of the task groups and discuss why you have chosen this particular group as against the other group. There must be a reason why, a rationale why you have chosen this particular group when you have so many other groups available. And then you will talk about the characteristics of the group that you have chosen, task group, the purpose why you have chosen this group. You will explain the dynamics, the processes, leadership issues, and many other things that happen within the group with the aid of certain theories. And the theories are discussed in chapter 3. And you can pick 2 or 3 theories, and basically you pick some of the concepts, important concepts of those 2 or 3 theories, and apply to the group. And apply to the group in the sense you'll try to explain group dynamics, group processes, group leadership, member participation, membership, and all those things you can explain with the help of the theory. And theory is providing you a basic framework and providing you certain principles, and it has some assumptions, and you try to relate to the group that you have chosen and explain it, and you can use examples. That's another component that you write. And remember, this is the core component of your paper, and that is reflected in the number of pages that you write for this particular section. I'm expecting 2 pages on this particular section, so you need to do a good job in this section. It doesn't mean that you should not do a good job on the other sections. The next thing that you will write is, you will talk about the examples where you find this particular group being practiced, and what are the settings and where you can find them being used. A little bit of research is needed. You may look at some human service agencies and go to their websites and find out what are the groups that are available. Also, you'll find a number of examples in the chapters 3 and 4, and using those examples you can search for some more information, and that you can use in writing this paper. So what I reviewed is basically the bullet points which I have provided in the document that I posted on the website, and I just reviewed and then explain a little bit so that you will have a better idea of this assignment. And if you have any further questions, what you could do is, I'm available on Wednesday on Wednesday and Thursday in the afternoons. Especially on Thursday I have more time from noon to 4:30. I will be sitting in my office most of the time, but maybe I may step out of my office, but you can leave a message. I'll call you back after seeing your message. But you can call me during these office hours, and you can directly talk to me if you have any further questions. But try to look at the document and review the document, and then frame your questions so that we can talk to the questions. I hope this video will help you to understand a little bit directly hearing from me, and you will be able to do the assignment well. And I try to post another video on the next assignment as well, so that you will have better idea of the assignment. And good luck, and you can reach me. My number is 419-530-5338. 419-530-5338. You can leave a message or call me on Wednesdays and Thursdays in the afternoons. I'll be able to return your call and talk to you directly. Good luck. Thank you.